What's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new project. So, guys, today we're gonna be diving down into a very unique and special project for the year 2024, and it's a perfect opportunity to jump in. And there is plenty of options, plenty of benefits. You can get early access. So, अगर आप early इसमें invest करते हैं तो you can get more reward from here. So Christmas a magic offer. So it is offer available for you. Get $200 worth of REXX Coin and plus $50 in USD as Christmas gift in just $100 REXX buying. So participate now. So it's a perfect opportunity to join now. So आप अभी भी इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification because it's perfect for you. So, and please don't miss any part of this project because it's very important to understand each and everything regarding this project, and I will tell you all the details. So आप यहाँ से भी सारी information ले सकते हैं. So each and everything is given in front of your face, and you need not worry about anything because I briefly studied that, and I was discussing with project owner, and in the end we decided to introduce this project in front of my community. So here you can see the white paper, KYC, and audit. So each and everything is legal, and I'm sure when you study that, you will join the community. You will be surprised to see the potential inside. So links are given, and please don't miss to join the links because links are very important for you for upcoming information as far as the projects is concerned. So all the detail will be available if you join the project community, and you will become the member of their community. So here you can see the details how to buy. So it's very important to tell you how you can buy REXX token, how you can earn, and blocks detail, buy REXX, and white paper key detail. What is REXX ecosystem? The REXX ecosystem is process holistic solution to the mentioned challenges powered by the REXX Coin, and presenting a wide area decentralized solution across the various sectors. तो काफ़ी सारे sectors में जो है आप इसको implement होता हुआ देखेंगे. Okay, if you scroll down a bit, you will see more information. यहाँ पे इसकी audit की detail, यहाँ पे audited and approved by the block Safi and REXX ecosystem and start contract are found to be fully legit and highly secure. So it's mean if you invest in that, your investment is safe and secure hand, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see that. Next is KYC. So KYC, so REXX team passed the KYC verification process to the block SAFO and verify project ownership. Nothing suspicious, just so कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो कि आपसे छुपा हो. So each and everything is done properly. तो यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं कि REXX in the news, and if you want to verify, there are plenty of options that are available. Fox 40, you can investing.com, and you can see Banziga and the Digital Journal. So all options are available, and you can see there all the information related to the project will be there. The second thing which inspired me to introduce this project in front of me community, that is partners and supporter. They have a very strong partners and supporter team like Blocksafu and like Blockchase, and after that you can see Binance, and all strong partners they have, and everyone knows none of the project can be successful without active and strong partners community. This is the sign of any project success. So यहाँ पे आप इसकी डिटेल भी ले सकते हैं. यूज केस यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं REXX पे a decentralized payment solution that streamlines in the game and transaction leveraging blockchain technology coming soon. So यहाँ पे भी काफ़ी चीज़ें जो है इसकी coming soon है. ओके गाइस, यहाँ पे आप नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं कि आपको यहाँ पे REXX वॉल्ट की डिटेल. REXX वॉल्ट इज अ फीचर रिच एंड सिक्योर ब्लॉकचेन वैलेट विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ मल्टीपल digital assets allowing for the seamless management. It's also, you can read more information if you want to study that. You can easily watch that. Next you can see REXX works. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं REXX is a blockchain powered by gaming ecosystem that provides an immersive 3D gaming experience. You can read more information, and next you can see REXX change. REXX is a decentralized exchange that use automated market making protocol to enable a direct P2P token swap. So it's a perfect opportunity. So यहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन देखने को मिलेगी. Next आप देख सकते हैं ICO Launchpad. It's very important to see that you can see the two phases are completed and next fourth phase is continue. And here you can see the details. First phase, you can see second phase, and here is the fourth phase. And you can see the date end 20 January 2024. Start was 20 December 2023. Token 175000000 REXX, and you can see the price and status live. Next you can see the IDO sale. So here you can see the IDO sales available. यहाँ पे आप इसकी information भी आपको provide है और उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ICO की जो इसकी सेल है और यहाँ पे आपको इसकी डिटेल भी आपको देखने को मिलेगी. यहाँ पे आप ये इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. So each and everything is given. How you can buy, so we'll discuss later on. First we'll discuss the main page. After that I will tell you how you can buy that. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि decoding the REXX ecosystem. So if you click on that, you will get more knowledge about this project. तो यहाँ से आप काफ़ी कुछ information यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. So काफ़ी चीज़ें जो होंगी वो आपको यहाँ पे clear हो जाएंगी. Okay. So यहाँ से ये आपको गाइडलाइन देगी. It's for your guideline. So यहाँ पे how it works. तो यहाँ पे सारी information जो है वो आपको provide है. As far as the tokenomics are concerned, contract address is given, token symbol REXX and decimal 18. Total supply you can see 700 million. और यहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि 25 जो है centralized EX में और यहाँ पे इसकी जो डिवीजन है उसको आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह इन्होंने इसको डिवाइड किया है. 10% जो है ICO प्री सेल यहाँ पे प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए है. 15% जो है इनिशियल डेक्स जो है वहाँ पे है ऑफरिंग के लिए. 15% जो है वो इनिशियल एक्सचेंज ऑफरिंग के लिए है. 25% जो है वो आप देख सकते हैं सेंट्रलाइज्ड EXC के लिए. तो ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन. Our roadmap, here's the roadmap. It's very important to study the roadmap and you can get an idea what they want to do in the future and how much they work in the past. So all the details is given. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं REXX exchange and next developed. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे for the national achieve architecture. So next आपको यहाँ पे सारी information यहाँ पे आपको provide है तो आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से study कर सकते हैं. सारी डिटेल आपको गिवन है. डॉक्यूमेंटेड यहाँ पे आपको अवेलेबल है. वाइट पेपर. वाइट पेपर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टडी बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी गिवन इन द वाइट पेपर and basically it's a key point of any project because when you click on white paper you will be able to study all the details. Frequently asked question. If you have any question in your mind you can get the answer of your question at the same time by clicking on that. What is REXX Coin? When you click on that you can get the answer and you can easily study that. And next you can see how REXX Coin different from the other cryptocurrency. So here is the answer available. So it's the best option here in the below. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि नीचे सारी information यहाँ पे available है. If you need any kind of help, so you can paste your username, email, phone number, and after that question query, and you can get the answer as soon as possible. You can submit your mail and you can get more information. So all the details is given. Here you can see Medium, YouTube, Discord, Telegram, Instagram. So all links are available and mail is given. So if you have any questions, so you can join them and get more information. So how you can buy this? So this is the main key and we will see the KYC and you can see the white paper. So let's see what kind of information in the white paper. Okay guys, let's see how you can buy that. It's very important to tell you how you can buy और ये बड़ा easy सा process है. It's very simple process to buy. तो आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से buy कर सकते हैं. You have to connect your MetaMask and I have already connected my MetaMask. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि MetaMask को connect करने के बाद you can buy from here. तो आप यहाँ से easy तरीके से इसकी buying कर सकते हैं. तो it's very simple process to buy that. तो आप यहाँ से इसको buy कर सकते हैं और इसका पूरा प्रोसेस मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि आपने इसको किस तरह बाई करना है. ओके तो यहाँ पे आपने सबसे पहले क्या करना है अपना MetaMask. यू कनेक्ट योर MetaMask एंड यू नीड BNB फॉर बाइंग REXX टोकन. सो आपको BNB चाहिए होंगे. सपोज टू बी अगर आप BNB 1 BNB के बाई करना चाहते हैं तो लेट्स सी कि आप 1 BNB में कितने ले सकते हैं. इफ यू पुट 1 BNB सो ये $268 बनते हैं जो आप 809 8,933 REXX टोकन ले सकते हैं और 2 BNB 17,866 आप REXX टोकन्स यहाँ से ले सकते हैं। तो ये है आप इस तरह बाय कर सकते हैं। 3 BNB में 26,800 BNB आप अपने 3 BNB में आप इजी तरीके से ले सकते हैं। सो इट्स अ परफेक्ट and a very easy process for you need to connect your wallet, and you can easily move your fund here, and you can easily transfer your tokens to your MetaMask, so you can hold that and ओके गाइस, यहाँ पे आप इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे याहू फाइनेंस पे भी ले सकते हैं। सो दीज इंफॉर्मेशन आर ऑल ओवर द प्लेसेस, एंड जहाँ पे भी आप जाएंगे आपको यहाँ पे इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन पूरी मिलेगी। सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन। REXX इकोसिस्टम अनाउंस एक्सचेंज नेम फॉर लिस्टिंग REXX Coin, तो यहाँ पे इसकी डिटेल भी आपको गिवन है, तो आप इस तरीके से यहाँ से स्टडी कर सकते हैं और मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेशन भी इसके ले सकते हैं। एक्सचेंज लिस्टिंग प्राइस देख सकते हैं $0.1। एक्सचेंज लिस्टिंग डेट ऑन March 15, 2024। REXX Coin will be listed on following 4 exchanges. What kind of exchanges? So यहाँ पे BitGet exchange and BitHub exchange, xt.com and La Token. So these are the 4 exchanges where it will be listed on 15th of March 2024. So keep in mind the date, and it's very important. And when you hold the coin, these tokens, you have to wait until it listed on these exchanges, and I'm sure when it listed it will pumped up and you can easily generate best return from here. So let's move further guys। तो यहाँ से हम आगे चलते हैं और मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिलता है। ओके गाइस, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि REXX इकोसिस्टम अनाउंस एक्सचेंज नेम फॉर लिस्टिंग REXX Coin, तो यहाँ पे आप इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको यहाँ पे प्रोवाइडेड है। यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं कौन कौन सी एक्सचेंज है, वो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो एक्सचेंज की भी आपको मैंने प्रोवाइड कर दी, वो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मैंने आपको बता दी। और यहाँ पे आप मज़ीद इन्फॉर्मेशन भी मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ कि REXX पे जो है डिसेंट्रलाइज पेमेंट सोल्यूशन फॉर इन गेमिंग ट्रांजेक्शन्स, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते फ्री ChatGPT भरोसे एक्सटेंशन। और नेक्स्ट हम नीचे देख सकते हैं कि आपको ब्लॉकचेन पावर बाय गेमिंग इकोसिस्टम, ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी और उसकी डिसेंट्रलाइज वर्ल्ड मैप फॉर ब्लॉकचेन एक्टिविटीज इन्विटेशन वर्ल्ड वाइड। और नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं डिसेंट्रलाइज एक्सचेंज फॉर पीयर टू पीयर टोकन स्वैप। एंड नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं कि डिसेंट्रलाइज एक्सचेंज ऑफ कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन फिएट currencies and cryptocurrencies. So there are plenty of options are available in a single platform. और next आप देख सकते हैं REXX Press, a blockchain powered by decentralized news portal providing crypto industry updates. And next you can see user-friendly, secure, decentralized value for the management of digital assets. And next you can see to access more information and prospective user encouragement, you can explore key project related links and available at यहाँ पे आपको Linktree available है, and you can click on that and get more information related to the project. And our organization REXX ecosystem website available, email, country Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and here you can see the secure REXX ecosystem and press release. All information is given, and you can easily avoid that, and you can easily study that here, and I'm sure you will be surprised and you will be satisfied to see all the details related to that. Listing date 15th of March 2024. It's listing on 4 exchanges and listing price is 0.10. Keep in mind the date and price, so it's very important. तो चलते हैं next और मज़ीद information मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Okay guys, the links are given and it's very important to study the link, and please don't miss to join the links. Once again, I'm requesting all subscriber and investor community. It's very important, and here you can see the KYC details are given, and I can show you the KYC verifications of all details that's given. It's very safe and secure. तो यहाँ से आप इसकी सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी की मेजरमेंट को ले सकते हैं. ओके तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो मिलेगी देखने को कि इसकी KYC आपने किस तरह करना है, तो उसकी डिटेल भी आपको गिवन है. तो आप इस तरीके से यहाँ से इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो भी ले सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट गाइस चलते हैं, इसकी डिटेल आपको मैं दिखा देता हूँ. ट्विटर, सो लेट डिस्कस अबाउट द ट्विटर और लेट्स सी हाउ मच कम्युनिटी दे हैव. So here's the Twitter given guys. Hold on a bit and it will be open and we can see all the detail. They have a very strong community on Twitter. 5,676 followers they have, and active it at the moment. It's still early stage of this project, And I already told you they are providing you best opportunity for the Christmas point of view, so you can jump in, early access this project and get more reward from here. And next you can see the phase 1 coming soon, and next you can see phase 3 is live by REXX token at the lowest price. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं end date is 22nd of December 2023. So today it's the last date, and next you can see pre-sale programs are given, and Black Friday. So each and everything is given, and if you click on that, you'll get more information about that. So I hope so you briefly understand about that, and if there is something missing, you can comment me in the comment section, so I will provide you all the details related to this project. So guys, here you can see the pre-sale and each and everything I provide you already. You can see airdrop, exciting news for the REXX airdrop participation. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि आप इसमें participate करके enjoy a 3x bonus, and REXX Coin project successfully audited and approved by the block Safu. So these information I already put all the details. और नेक्स्ट आप नीचे चले जाएँ तो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो आपको यहाँ से अवेलेबल है तो सारी डिटेल मैं आपको ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड कर चुका हूँ. And if there is something missing, you can join me in the comment section. So I will be always there to provide you all the details. How you can earn from the REXX token, आप इससे कैसे earn कर सकते हैं, तो इसकी डिटेल भी आपको यहाँ पे given है. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि REXX Christmas Magic Offer, and you can see here the details is given. तो यहाँ से आप इजी तरीके से विन कर सकते हैं और देख सकते हैं डे लेफ्ट 2, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं your entries, तो total entries. तो यहाँ पे सारी information यहाँ पे available होगी. तो यहाँ पे आप get 200 worth of REXX Coin. I already told you it's a perfect opportunity. Our duration is 18th of December 2025 December. Still 2 days left and plenty of time left. Jumped in and claim. And how to claim: buy 100 worth of REXX Coin and the gift receive $200 worth of REXX Coin your wallet. So it's a perfect opportunity for you. And gift 50 USDT. EP20 will be also credited to your account as a special bonus. So best opportunity guys here, and please don't miss that. Hurry, limited time offer. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity, and I'm sure you will grab this opportunity. Okay, I have provided you all the details guys. It's all over, and if there is something missing, and please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So once again, I'm requesting to all subscriber investor community, please don't miss to join the links, because links are very important for you. When you join the links, you will become the member of their community, and you will be updated with upcoming news related to this project. So we will meet our next video guys. Till then, bye bye.